So do you also love to writing something while free time?
Yeah, I do writing. Mostly I do writing every day. But especially when I just want to write on any particular occasion. So that time I would go with composition of poem. I also love to compose a poem uh, by myself. Yes. As
Right,
there
great.
was Mother's Day, so I composed my one poem on Mother's Day also, and I uploaded the same on my channel in this way.
That's a great. Okay.
Because it is also a enjoy when we write something. Na, so somewhere we are just expressing our thoughts, that what we think in our mind, and in this way we are practicing English at the same time. Whatever vocabs are in our subconscious mind passively, so we are using that actively in form of writing. So writing gives great contentment to us, and it could be very useful those who are just trying to learn this language in no time.
Yes, absolutely right. So, ma'am, day before yesterday, I came on the live session. So, over there, most of the
Hmm.
learner asked me if I want to enhance my writing skill. So, where should I start? So, could you share some tips and tricks as you usually love to writing?
Yeah, if anybody just want to write something, first of all, there should be interest in writing. If there is one who doesn't have any interest, so they can start writing in bullets. Means in 5 lines, in 6 lines, 10 lines. So in this way, they can start writing. And when you are able to write in bullets, so after that you can write in one small paragraph. So in this way, it will be very easy for beginners to start writing. And sometimes we can go with our daily routine. Though people say that daily routine are mostly same, so we can add two beautiful moment in our daily routine. So in this way, it could be something different.
All
Yes.
right. So, according to my perceptions, if we like want to write something and at the same moment because we are beginner for in the writing, sorry, not we
Hmm.
are, those are like beginner in the writing.
Yes.
So at that when especially we are beginner, so at that time we don't able to understand where should we start apart from like daily routine. Everyone know how to write daily routine, but we can't
Yes.
write each and every single day just daily routine because sometime we feel monotonous while writing at the same things.
Yeah. If we
So
don't want to, yes, if we
yes,
don't
let
want to
me
go with
complete.
daily routine, we can choose one particular topic. Means, just start with small topics. You can take your favorite fruit, favorite color, and favorite dress. So in this way,
Yes.
just start with the easy topics, and then you can go with harder one, like the importance of discipline in life. First of all, take only one
Yes.
or two words topic.
Hmm. So I suggested them, if you're really eager to write something, so just you have to pick one object as like smartphone, watch, any particular scenery like calendar.
Hmm.
So what is that? You can just start simply. What is the advantage or disadvantage? If
Hmm.
we like have this kind of particular thing, so what we get
Yes.
benefits. If we don't have, so what if happens like that? So I
Yes.
think this way is also better.
Yeah, that is also better. In this way, we are just describing, elaborating something, and elaboration is called writing. Yeah,
Yeah, definitely, definitely. Right. So, do you have one kid or two?
I have two sons. I have two sons. Yes.
All right, all right. How old they are?
My elder one is in class 11th now, and younger one is in class 6th.
All right. So, do
And
they
on my
also help you while doing home chores?
though I'm not taking help, but yet they provide if whenever I ask them, so they do a little bit help, and it should be, because if I will not make them aware about house chores, so in future whenever they would go anywhere for the sake of their study, how they will do their work. So it
Yes,
should be
yes,
habitual. Yes.
yes, definitely. We
Yeah.
should give work according to age, I can say. We should give
Yes, we
work
should
to
give
yeah.
small responsibilities. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely right.
Mm.
You know, my son
Yes.
is now 9 year old, but I started to give him responsibility like fill the water bottle, keep in the fridge,
Mm.
and make cold coffee. Sometimes make
That's
sandwich
great.
like that. I try to inculcate some like daily routine works and trying to
Hmm.
make
Yeah, that's good.
habit. Yeah.
Yes. At least in this age, it should be done. Means if you are hungry, at least you can cook Maggie sandwich in or any drink for yourself, any soft drink. Yes.
Yes, right, right. And I also teach him how to lit the gas, how to warm water, because you know in the
Mm.
especially uh winter season we need always warm water. Sometimes we
Yes.
don't
Yes.
prefer to heat on the kettle, so we can also lit the gas and we can warm water or milk.
Mm.
So I try to teach
Yes, I
this kind
also
of
I also
activity.
do that kind of chores, but I allow my younger son to do this with uh, what to say, with simple one, means not on gas stove, on induction, because it is safe.
Yes, right.
Induction is safer than gas for small kids. Yeah.
Absolutely right. But you know, ma'am, if we are giving him tasks
Guidance.
under our guidance, then they can do. We can't forget
Yes.
if my son or daughter uh, do something near the gas. So uh, we have to I forget that
You have
particular
to
word.
observe them. You know that
Supervision.
how they are
We
doing.
have to keep
Supervise them.
yeah, under supervision. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, right.
Really. And it is really a good thing when we are just learning our small kids something or the other. Yes, in this way we are somewhere we are building a habit of helping in household chores,
Yes, right. Absolutely
and how
right.
they can
No
become
matter he
self-dependent.
helps.
Yes.
Yes, right, right. No matter he helps each and every single day, but at least sometime we are go somewhere suddenly, and
Hmm.
sometime we like we are not feeling well, so they can do by their own self.
Yes. Yes, it is.
Yes. All right, ma'am. If you have any questions, so you can also ask me.
Yeah, I just want to know that how's your practice going on nowadays? Are you making sessions every day?
Yes, I try to make one session each and every single day, but
Wow, that's great.
sometimes skip when I don't feel good. Otherwise, I try to make every
Wow,
single day.
that's great, because when we are on this on this journey, so we should always be consistent. No matter that how we are doing our practice in form of reading, writing, listening, or speaking, but we should be consistent. Yeah.
Yes,
So
right.
okay, with this note, I think we should wind up the session now.